Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Emir Purdiatama. I am Bachelor of Mechanical Engineering Education, graduated from 11 Maret University. In here, I will present my research. My research is numerical study of Savonius wind turbines performance at the coastal area. The purpose of this study is to know the amount of power that can be generated by wind speed in the coastal area of Demak. First, this is my research background and purpose. Based on the data that has been taken on the Demak coastal area, the average wind speed in Demak coastal area is strong enough to spin Savonius wind turbine. So I use a Savonius wind turbine with one fin and without fin to find out the potential power that could be generated. And then I use computational fluid dynamic method to make it more effective and efficient, and of course low cost because this is numerical or simulation research. After the simulation process is complete, the potential power that can be generated as Savonius wind turbine in the coastal area will be known. In this research, I use computational fluid dynamic with ANSYS R15 software. So this is my research method. First, I collecting data of wind speed in the coastal area, and then I make a geometry design of turbine Savonius with one fin and without fin in ANSYS R15 software. And then in ANSYS R15 software, I setting the mesh and the simulation setting. After that, I simulate the wind speed that I have obtained from my wind speed data. And then I calculated the simulation results to know the power that can be generated by wind speed in the coastal area. Finally, I analyze the power data and make a conclusion. So, this is a wind speed data in the coastal area. I took the data using an anemometer. This wind speed data was taken for 3 days at 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. in cloudy weather condition. Data were collected by taking 12 wind speed values in 0.1 meter per second intervals per minute. The result of data collection for 3 hours per day for 3 days obtained 4,596 data. And then the 5 wind speed with the most frequency were selected for the ANSYS R15 simulation. So the simulated wind speed is 2.0, 2.1, 2.2, 2.4 and 2.5 meter per second wind speed. And this is my turbine Savonius specification. The specification of turbine Savonius with one fin and without fin is same. I made this turbine Savonius geometry in SolidWorks software, and then I input it into the ANSYS software. And this is my ANSYS R15 sizing mesh setting. And this is my ANSYS R15 simulation setting. And this is my simulation result. The result of the simulation will show the power coefficient that can be generated from each wind speed. And this is the simulated power coefficient data for each wind speed. To know the amount of power that can be generated by wind speed in the coastal area, the power coefficient that has been obtained is entered in this equation. I took this equation from Al-Semeri book. Finally, this is my research result of numerical study of Savonius wind turbines performance at the coastal area. At this data, we know the power that can be generated by wind speed of the coastal area up to 386 watt using Savonius wind turbine with one fin. This power can be useful for electrical power. And my conclusion is, the greater the wind speed, the greater the power can be produced. The simulation results in turbine sub-venues using computational fluid dynamics with one fin is greater than without using fins. That known from the sub-venues turbine with one fin that can be produced power up to 386 watt. That's for my presentation. Thank you for your attention.